Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to find someone on Viber with phone number, and now let's dive right in. Now to find someone on Viber with the phone number, you can try out two ways. Either first open up your Viber app on your phone. After opening your Viber app on your phone, guys, at the bottom of the screen you can see a bunch of options. Tap on the calls option available for us over here, just beside the chats. Tap on calls and you'll land on this interface where, as you can see, the person with the plus icon at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on there where there is the person with the plus icon at the top right, and over here enter the phone number over here, whichever it may be, and after that tap on continue. And on the next step, guys, you will be required to save this contact over here. Enter their name, whichever may it be, and tap on the tick mark at the top right corner of the screen, and that contact will be saved on your Viber contacts. And if they have registered for a Viber account on their end, guys, they will be available on your Viber contact list over here where it says the free Viber call. Guys, they have registered for a Viber account, so they are available on your contact. And the second way is to just save that phone number to your phone by opening the dial pad of your phone and creating a new contact over here, whichever may it be. And after that, create a new contact, go through the details and enter their name and save the contact on your phone over here. Similarly, if they have registered for a Viber account through their end with that number, then they will be available on the contact list of Viber on your phone. And with that being said, guys, this is how you will be able to find someone on Viber with phone number. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.